So, guys, Hagen Saber mode when we came out the full stack web development, and in the full stack web development, and we are in our ST. We started from our front end, and in front end we started our HTML language, and previously we started a new series about the colors in HTML. So this is a last video of the color series. Okay, and in today's video I am telling about the HSL and HSLA colors in the HTML. So yeah, I am telling you about the series start to end, and please hit a like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's know about in the full stack web and color see what are HSL and HSLA colors. So let's know about it. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's full stack web development video, I'm telling about the in the HTML what are HSL and HSLA colors. So previously we have a new series about the colors, and in the previous video I told you about the RGB and RGBA colors, sorry, hex colors. Okay, also the hex colors. So in today's video I'm telling about the HSL and HSLA colors. So let's talk about it. And let me tell you the full form of HSL and HSLA colors. So HSL means hue, saturation, and lightness. Hue, saturation, and lightness. Okay, and HSLA means hue, saturation, lightness, and A means alpha. Okay, you must know that. But let's know about it. HSL stands for HSL full form is hue, saturation, and lightness, like I've told you. And the HSLA color values are an extension of HSL with alpha channel opacity. Okay, HSL color values. In HTML forms, a color value can be specified using hue, saturation, and lightness. HSL in the form like this. Whenever you define the HSL, so how you can define it? Let me tell you. You write here HSL. Then in the HSL, first of all, you define your hue. Like hue should be 20%, and then here you define a saturation. I'm just giving the example. Okay. Then you write here lightness. And what is your lightness? Like your lightness is 10%. So like that you can give the hue. But when you're defining in the HTML, so you do not write this like saturation. Then you do not write this. You write like this hue you write it when you are writing in HTML. Hue is the degree or on the color wheel from 0 to 360. 0 means red, 120 means green, and 240 means blue. Saturation is the percentage value. 0% means a shade of a gray, and 100% is the full color. Lightness is also a percentage value. 0% is black and 100% is white. Now let me give experiment by mixing the HSL values below. Here I give the hue. I give the hue should be 0, and here I give the saturation should be 100%, and lightness I give the 50%. So it is giving me red color. Here you can see it in the background. Now here we define a 0 hue and 100% saturation and 50% lightness. So it gives me the background should be red, and then here I give the hue should be 240 and 100% saturation and 50% lightness. So it give me the color background color should be dark blue. Then here give me 147 hue, 50% saturation, and 47% lightness. So it give me the green color, and in the pink color it is giving me the pink color. What I give the 300 hue, 76% saturation, and 72% lightness. So it give me in the pink. Okay, then it give me yellow. Why? Because I give the 39% hue, 100% saturation, and 50% lightness. It is giving me purple color. Why it give me a purple color? Because here I write like 248% hue, 53% saturation, and 58% lightness. So that's why I mean the purple color. You must know that saturation. Saturation can describe as an intensity of a color. 100% is a pure color with no shades of gray. But 50% is a 50% gray, but you can still see the color. 0% is completely gray, you can no longer see the color. Let me show you. Like here you can see. Lightness. The lightness of a color can be described as how much light you want to give the color. Where 0% means no light black, 50% means 50% light, neither dark or light, and 100% means full lightness white. Like it give you the example here. Shades of grey. Shades of grey are often defined by setting the hue and saturation to 0 and adjusting the lightness from 0% to 100% to get darker or lighter shades. For example, this is one of your example, here you can see it. HSLA color values. HSLA color values are an extension of HSL color values with an alpha channel which specifies the opacity for a color. Now, HSLA color value is specified with like hue, saturation, lightness and alpha, like this. The alpha parameter is a number between the 0.0 means that fully transparent and 1.0 means not transparent at all. Now, let's experiment by mixing the HSLA values below. Here we are mixing the HSLA values below. Here, I give the 0 to the alpha, 0.2 to the alpha, but when I give the 1 to the alpha, it give me in the tomato orange color. Here you can see it, like that. So now let me give you the some for example with the coding. Now, let's come on our Sublime Text Editor. When our Sublime Text Editor has been opened, here I am creating one file by the name of index.html, save as, and I am creating this file on my document, index.html. Enter. Now, HTML. Now I am writing here HSL and HSL colors. So how you can give the color? So let me give the color to my paragraph. So how can I give it? I give very easily. Yes, here I am giving the HSL and HSLA color. To give the color, you write only here style, and then here you only write here like background color. HSL, you write here like I'm writing here 0%, here 50%. Now enough. Now when I save it and when I come here, when I go on my documents and when I open my index.html file, so it's coming red color. Why coming red color? Because I give the 100% saturation and 50% lightness. If I give the hue, I give the 80. So save and run should give you in the light this type of color. If I give to the hue should be 50, should give you this type of color. Now, when I come here and when I give H1 and when I write style and when I write background color and when I write here HSLA. So here I am writing like a 120 and here I am writing 100%. Here I am writing 50% and here I am writing 0.2. When I write 0.2 should give me nothing, it is giving me. Why? Because here I write like 0.2. And sorry, in the H1 I do not write anything, that's why not give me any output. Now, background. Save it and run it. So it give you in the this type of color. Why? Because I give the 0.2. It give me in the light because I give in the 0.2. But whenever I write like 1.0, so it give me color background color in the dark. Here you can see it like that. But when I give him to the 0.5, so it give me like this in the light. But when I write here 1.0, so then it give me in the dark. Here you can see it. So like that. So here you can see it in today's video of full stack web development. I told you about the in HTML. What are HSL and HSLA colors in HTML. And you must know that HSL means hue, saturation and lightness, and HSLA means like hue, saturation, lightness and alpha channel opacity. Okay, so you must know that. So now I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our any future later videos about the HTML. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing class, that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.